So just take that. But I'll probably take this short, but then at the same time, I'll probably get back long once price gets into this range around like 242 or something like that. Like 247, 235-ish. Yeah, probably like around that area, probably get long there. And price goes back up into that area. It's interesting because remember, price got all the way up to 311, huh? Remember that 315 short?
Yeah.
Remember 315?
Yeah.
From
You
last
talking
week.
about, wait, we
It got to 311. Remember
at
315? Remember 315 from last week?
hold on, I'm not tripping, am I? No, we
Dude.
hit 320. Yeah.
No, dude.
315 last week.
From last week, dude. From You Profit. Remember the short?
Yes, I know, but I'm saying we hit 320 tonight. That's the
320.
high. Yeah.
I'm seeing 311 on my chart. What are you talking about? We hit
At
320?
open.
I'm seeing
Yeah.
311.
I mean, 311 is, I guess, the attempt to get back up to 320. I got 320, bro.
On which chart?
Right at 5 o'clock.
Are you using the continuous contract or something? Dude, because my chart is straight up saying 311. Huh, okay.
Always use continuous.
Okay, that's why. Okay, so I'm using the December contract. That's probably what I was saying that. Well, on the December contract, I got 311 as the high.
Damn, ES. So ES, she went to 36. Couldn't do it. Get to 37. Let me see. Yeah, ES was looking for
okay.
at least 37 on there.
I see what you're talking about.
What, you
Yeah.
don't see?
Yeah, I see it on so on TradingView, yeah, that should hit like 320. But on NinjaTrader 8, it hit only 311 on my chart. Unless I'm tripping.
Yeah. Okay, so that was
Yeah, that's so interesting because that is not showing up on my chart at all. So everybody's saying that the opening candle was at 320. Yeah, it's not even showing up on my chart at all on Nasdaq. Well, anyway, shit, that 320 shit, it dropped at 320. Yeah. So that just tells us that yeah, you know what? I might Anyway, so you longing right now. You went long? Or are you short? Oh, you went long. Oh, okay, you're long.
I was long earlier, and then I was trying to see if ES could get to at least 37. Front run that area, that high liquidity area. Kind of disappointed me a little.
I mean, we might see a bounce at 32. I mean, actually, it really depends on what happens here. Because now that I'm looking at it, they are selling it at that breaker structure right there. So it's small, but it might be significant. But the bears are selling it there. At least the algos are selling it. We could see price come back down to 628 possibly, but if they break that 21 EMA, then the bears are going to start selling it. They break it. Hey, what's up, game weight? Hey, so I just created I meant to tell you this, Alfred. I really meant to. I guess I forgot. So game weight. If you want to come on and talk, just let me know. I'll just give you the role. Kind of share your insight. Be good to hear your voice, your insight on the market. Or you can just stay in the chat. It's not a big deal. It's not a requirement, but if you want the raw, I'll give it to you so you can be able to speak. Obviously, I took the mute off. Obviously, we don't want just people just coming in and unmuting and start saying all kind of crazy shit. But yeah, so yeah, me and Smith talked about that. If Oso is still in the in your chat, I'll send him an invite and shit, he can get on.
Got his. Let's see, got him on Discord.
Gameway, you know that's not true.
Hey, so if you out there, is there somebody impersonating you, or you got two?
Yeah, it's probably somebody in person. Yeah.
That's crazy though.
That's how you know when you made it. When the scammers start to impersonate you, that's when you know you made
it. Yeah, that's true though. Super true.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Hey, what's up, ESNQ? What's up? I'm gonna protect this one. That's not the best entry, and I don't want to play the games that the Nasdaq plays. That is not a good entry. Then we got the 50 EMA kind of protecting where my stop needs to, or my target's at. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep a stop right there. But I was actually thinking about something that I said last week. I was like, man, if we can combine mine and your style, dude, just think about the money that we can make. So that's gonna probably be my project from now on. Try to get in on the momentum, but then get big momentum trades. Like I get like 80 to 90 points at a time. But if I can have the size that Smith be trading on, like 4 mini contracts or something, like, man, all that money that we can make. So that's gonna be my project to see if I can actually start to be able to accomplish that. So I'm gonna start trading. I'm gonna start off with 2 or 20 micro contracts to start a position. And I'm gonna see if I can actually get it to if I can start getting these big plays with heavy size. Because that would definitely be beneficial. You said fill that gap. Oh, you thinking that they'll try to come fill this gap? Shit. I mean, well, we know if the Nasdaq fills this gap on the first go, you already know what that means. You know what that means. Yeah, I think the Nasdaq is going to probably be nasty in this situation and come stop me out, and then go.
I feel like once again, ES is stronger.
Yes.
Yep.
Well, what side are you trying to trade on? You trying to trade on the short side or the long side?
I'm already married.
Mm.
I'm already married in this position right now. So we stuck, we glued together. It's till death do us part right now. But oh, she grabbed me. She's like, give me that. Um, but yeah, I did want to short. I was low key chasing, um, but I decided not to grab it, and then I kind of got in late in the long, so I kind of missed the push up or the run up to VWAP,
Mhm.
and yeah, here I am. Here we are.
We'll see what happens tomorrow, man. We'll see. Because I want to trade my funded account tomorrow, but or later on today, but we'll see what happens with the price action. The CFTC data says that we go up. That's what the CFTC data says, that we have a lot more room for upside. So, hmm.
Crazy. So ES is flat, and then this is down 7.5 points on NQ.
Yeah, I'll just wait until probably like tomorrow or something like that. 76. Ain't cute. Don't make me chase you. Don't make me chase you.
50. Oh, Ivan, are you in the Discord, Ivan? I just saw your comment. You said y'all got room for one more. Hey, got some analysis.
Yeah, like yeah, that could be something that we start doing. It's not a big deal. You know, you know what, NQ? Mm,
Rolled over. Man, damn, ES.
maybe I should have stayed short in this. I was
Quick
thinking that
switch.
maybe they're going to try to pump this thing back up to but then that wouldn't make sense, would it? They're going to probably tap the 50 EMA and then we'll probably see a bounce. But at the same time, maybe I should have stayed short in this. Maybe I should have stayed short.
I want ES to go and grab that liquidity, but I doubt it. The way it's looking now, she keep playing around. That what you're trying to do to ES.
Make sure. If gold left a, oh shit, gold bounced into a quarter. So I can see if I can get something with gold. Hopefully it doesn't need to pull back, but hopefully it doesn't need to pull back. And I gotta stop trying to scalp gold intraday, man. This shit don't ever work.
You gotta get your top and bottom setups in gold
Mm-hmm.
and just let it ride.
Yep.
Maybe I'll look into that.
Mm.
All right, who's got it right now? CVD is positive. That's a good thing, I guess.
Mm.
They're like FEO positive CVD.
You gotta be mindful about this though. You gotta be mindful about it.
Not really.
Because if I buy this now,
not gonna lie, everything is sloping.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll be lucky to get break even again, maybe VWAP, but at this point, take it. Okay. So,
Mm. I know the Nasdaq was going to be nasty, but gold, ES is still pumping though. That's interesting. ES is still. Yeah, I don't think gold needs to come back here. Probably like underneath this candle right here. I think gold is about to pump, at least to VWAP at least. Probably put that right there. Probably like right there. Like, mm. All right, man.
yeah, let's see if your theory is accurate on that first attempt, second attempt gap fill. So if we somehow by some way, shape, or form we pump back up and get this like double, triple top, whatever you want to call this up here,
Mm-hmm.
and then get the drop. Nah, it's not looking like that. I'm trying to give myself hope. That ain't happening. What if it double bottoms this? So hold on, let me see. Give myself.
I know that. Yeah, I know she was gonna do that. All right, so let's see if she'll pump. We get like a pump, a bounce right here. I know she was gonna be nasty. Let's see if she'll bounce at the 50 EMA. And I gotta stop doing that too. I gotta stop doing that. Seriously, it's not gonna let me do it. Let's see if we'll get a bounce at 50 EMA. What is that? 66, probably like 64 or something like that. We'll see. I mean, it'll probably bounce back up to like 80 or something like that, and then drop like 80 or something.
Okay, let's see. We can hold 65.
Ah, shit. Ah, that looks. Ah, man, that don't look good on the ES. The bears are selling the
Yeah,
breaker structure. They're selling it. That don't look good. It doesn't look good. But they are buying it at they are buying it at okay. Let's look at that.
see if I could survive long enough in this second to get that second wave back up.
Okay, so if they don't bounce it here, then that's not going to be no bueno.
Got some orders at 60, 57, 60. So let's see if we could hold this for the second wave up. But ES, man, 15-minute ES is looking dumb right now.
69, 26.92.
Usually at least make it to R3. And then, I mean, I guess you could kind of count that. Kind of. Yeah, because it's only 2 ticks away on ES. But I like to see them overshoot it by a couple ticks and then dump.
Mm.
But we'll see. For the second wave.
Okay. The question is, are you going to be nice to me, Nasdaq, and just keep on going?
Where you getting along at? Talk about this.
I mean, I got in long at 273. I mean, the only reason why I got in long is because I'm thinking that they're going to bounce it here at the 50 EMA, but it looks like she ain't even going to touch it for real.
For that, okay. I'm looking for that W bounce a little bit. Drop, drop. Back up. Yes. Take charge. Okay, can we get the second wave up now? I see it trying to form on the 5-minute. Back to 15. The 15 just sucks though.
Mm.
The 15 and 5 are kind of conflicting against each other right now.
Yeah.
I like to see them on the same page. The 5 minutes getting me warm and fuzzies for this second wave up. Hopefully, they dropped it at the 14. 76, 75.
I might take that. I think my stop comes up before it gets to my target. As long as they don't need to dump this right back down to the 50, I'm good. I probably might take it if it gets close to VWAP because I am scalping this. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't need to come down back to the 50. He says read Discord voice. Read Discord voice.
Yeah, 15-minute.
Game where it says that don't be fooled into a bad position. Be mindful of them gaps across the Russell NQES. Short to fill the gaps. Well, I mean, I don't necessarily if the market is going short, then I'll short it, but I'm already privy of the games that the NQ likes to play. We know she doesn't fill the gaps on the first try, and if she does, that's a trap. I know your ways, NQ. I know your ways. But I'm gonna definitely keep because like I said, looking at the data that we have from the CFTC data, I mean these institutions they're long. They're 57% long and 42% short, and the commercials are the same thing. They're 54% long and only 45% short. So be mindful about trying to short this because this suggests that we can go higher. We can get much higher. We can get much higher with this data.
Higher, so high.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. He said, dude, I'm just taking a scalp. This is an account. This is like an eval, bro. And like I said, I'm trying to get on I'm trying to not necessarily update my style, but trying to practice with the heavy size scalp. And I only scalped here because I'm speculating that the market will bounce here at the 50 EMA and probably get a move back up to VWAP possibly. This is not something I'm going to stay long. I'm going to get comfortable in. Just looking for like a 10-point scalp here or close to it. Man.
Raptors versus Lakers. What time is it?
Huh. It'll be interesting if I would have stayed short in this, I would have got my original position hit. But it didn't seem like the Bears was gonna take over this. But now that I flipped long, it seems like, oh no, here comes the freaking Bears. Okay, so at least the market is buying here at the 50 EMA. We'll see if they hold it. And they're buying at it, so we'll see if they hold it. Yeah, look at that. They're going short on the ES as well. But they may buy here at the at 631, 632 ish. You got the trend indicator right here, so we'll see if they buy it here at the ES on the ES. Okay. I mean, if I can get that emotion under control instead of losing my mind with it. 2674. 2674. Hmm. So Bandit Blix. So right now I have the pivot points and the super trend indicator. So it just lets me know who has control of the trend right now. You got the green line is the VWAP, the yellow line is the almighty 21 EMA, the red line is the 50 EMA, and this gray line right here is the 200. So I'm thinking that eventually price is going to want to come back down and possibly fill this gap or possibly bounce at the 200. We'll see if we'll get a bounce here at ES because the 21 EMA does line up with this little pivot point, previous resistance. They blew right through it. They found support here. So the bulls bought the retest. So let's see if they hold this. But this does look like, yo, this looks like a double top on an ES though. I'm not even gonna, it does look like a double top. We probably do see a drop. Probably back down to 613, 614-ish. Probably down here. We'll probably see that drop coming back down to this area. I will definitely go long if price gets in this area for sure. For sure going long here. This is a previous area where they broke out. The bulls are definitely going to be here buying to buy the retest for sure. For sure. Hey, what's up, JP? He says, "Do I watch crypto?" Yes and no. I do have what is it called? XRP. I'm still punching the air right now because I totally missed the opportunity to get into Doge, and I should have. Man. That was definitely a missed opportunity right there. I should have got into some Dogecoin. Tesla calls and Dogecoins, of course.
Yeah. Bag fumbled on that.
Yeah. Yeah, like I was like, dude, I was like, man, why the hell I didn't even like sometimes I can get so complacent at times not thinking about stuff. I was like, dude, it just made sense to sit there and at least tried. I mean, dude, that was a gamble. Like, dude, you could have at least tried. And I do agree with XRP because yeah, I'm looking at the chart right now and this thing can definitely we can definitely see some at least a retest of 67, but I mean, if we get that pump that everybody's looking for with XRP, yeah, we can definitely go probably back up. $2, I'll probably be a couple of years, but we'll see. We definitely need some news to pump us up. Okay. Yeah, when I first opened up this chart, it had like the dog pop up and start dancing. I was like, what the hell? But yeah, Dogecoin is at 29 cents. Yeah. And before the election, if you got in before the election.
All right. Be right back.
All right. He would have made about like what, 15 cents? And this looks like it's still going to keep going up higher. Yeah. Bitcoin. I mean, I feel sorry for the people that just didn't wait on this Bitcoin pump because that thing touched like 80K, dude. That's crazy. and it gapped up, and we gapped up over 80K, dude. I feel sorry for people that didn't wait on this. If they just held, like shit, Bitcoin is almost at 100K per coin, dude. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. Yeah, I think so too, man. Yeah, I think that's probably best because a lot of people are going to sell. I mean, I think overall is going to keep pumping, but um I do think people are going to eventually take profits. It's going to go back down to support, and it'll be a good re-entry to go long for the long haul, for sure. But XRP, I mean, like I said, I fumbled the bag on what was that, Shiba Inu? Man, I fumbled the bag on that play. I was up about 10K on that play, man, and I let that shit go all the way back down to zero because I thought it was gonna go higher. I got pissed because everybody made became millionaires on Dogecoin when it originally pumped. And I was like, huh, I could probably become a millionaire on Shiba Inu if it does the same thing Dogecoin does or did. It never made it to $1. If it ever made it to $1, shit, y'all may not have never met me because I would have been a super millionaire, dude. A super millionaire. I was like, no, I'm holding to $1, damn it. But it never made it to $1, man. Or it never made it to 1 cent. I apologize. It never made it to 1 cent because I bought it when it was like obviously underneath the cent, blah, and I bought like a bunch of it. I was up 10K on that damn thing, but uh, let that shit come all the way back down. I try not to think about it because I'll probably be pissed. But hey, everybody was like, "Yeah, it's getting to a 1 cent. It's getting to a one. It's getting to 1 cent. It's getting to 1 cent. Hold, hold, hold." Yeah, but yeah, they didn't hold that shit all right. Um, I really don't know because I remember, yeah, because I caught this pump. Yeah, it never made it to a cent. Yeah, I remember this crap. Yeah, it pisses me off just thinking about it. This is 2024. It never made it to 1 cent. It got close, I think. Where was that? Did I get in? When did I get in? Because I know I was down. I got in towards the bottom. Luckily, I got in towards the bottom. Somebody, a close friend, was like, "Yeah, get in the sheep, get in the sheep." I just put money into it, didn't think too much of it. And then that thing with Dogecoin happened. I was like, dude, if this thing gets to a cent, I'll be a freaking millionaire, dude. I'll be a freaking millionaire. I got to a cent. And I was gonna hold it for 5 years. I mean, I think I'm still holding that coin. I think I still have it, honestly. Or no, I probably sold it all. I think I probably sold it all when they did all that crypto stuff. I think I sold it because it would be if I still have it, then it would be in my Tastyworks account. I'm not gonna bring it up. Yeah, yeah. Mhm. And that's the one thing that I'm gonna have to get back in tune with. Because if I just waited for this entry, then it's like I would have been halfway there to my target. I just waited for it. Okay. All right. So yeah, so like I said, this is just me practicing this before I start taking this to production. Just gonna practice this. And then it bounced right there at the 52. And I'm pretty sure it'll probably try to get to VWAP for sure. And then we'll see what happens there. I think we can at least get the VWAP. But then they probably might actually dump or try to come back in and try to sell it at 290. Yeah, we could possibly see this thing go to 290. So when you say Bitcoin miners, like what does that mean? If you don't mind explaining. Is that like isn't that have something to do with like the blockchain or something like that? And I think cuz I think when the crypto was really big, I know the miners were yeah, just let's actually look at that. Okay. So instead of going to the gold mines in reality, it's basically a gold mine in the digital world. Mm. So based on my brief research of dude, what the hell? Chat GPT. The hell? Mm. All right, Chat GPT is being real uncooperative right now. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna go back to just gonna go back to it. Back to it. Well, I guess I should have stayed in my original short. Of course, the Nasdaq was going to stop me out and be nasty about it. Of course, she was. I think that's the point of Bitcoin is that they have an absolute number of Bitcoins in existence, and then after that, then once they're all mined, you can't mine anymore. Right. Shit, that's like what, 20 right there? Probably. Mm. 187. Mm. Oh. It's always a beautiful thing when we agree on the same thing. Yeah. Mm. Okay, so that account's gone. Pass 95. Mm. Yeah, nothing's really moving right now. Nothing's moving. So I guess if you missed this gap up earlier in the session, kind of missed everything. Hmm.
Hey.
Yeah, what's up?
Oh, great. I didn't get stopped out. I'm still semi-clapped.
Hmm. Yeah, I would have to watch that. I would have to watch how price goes into that area right there. I mean, I guess we could see like a big drop though. Hmm. Guess
So
we
you
could.
said you got control of the mute?
I'm sorry, who?
You?
Says, do I have control of the mute? I think we both do. We should. We both should have it. Why? Who's asking?
All right. No, I was just asking, how do we because I was looking earlier and I didn't see how to unmute.
Actually, I really don't know how to do it either. I could have figured that. Y- hold on.
Dang.
Figured we crossed that bridge when we got there.
I guess we all cooked.
Well, I mean, I guess yeah. Let's look at that. Oh, that's interesting because I don't know why it's not something that you just can't like right click and okay, because I'm trying to unmute Alfred to kind of test it out, but I don't see it. Hmm. Hold on, let me look at the roll again. Maybe I made a mistake with the roll itself.
Uh, Hopefully you're ready for the second wave up. Hopefully, ES talking to you.
They would have to hold 30, 31, bro, on ES. I mean, they're somewhat holding it on man, Nasdaq, man. You're just trying to break my fucking heart, man. That's what you're trying to do.
Sing to her. Unbreak my heart. See? Sing it to her, she pumps. Perfect strategy.
Or a gaslighter like we did last week.
Yeah, you gotta sing or gaslight her.
Yo, last week we told the NQ that like, dude, it's crazy that that was absolutely craziness, bro. It's like, yeah, you can't get here. You can't get here. Not only did she get there, she was real quick with trying to go a little bit extra.
Yep.
And then she dumped. Like it's nobody can't tell me that the Nasdaq is not a real doesn't have a real personality and does shit. Because she could have kept on dumping on Friday, but she chose to show us what we told her that she couldn't do. She was like, I'm gonna show you. And she did that shit. Fine. Fine. I'm going full port. I'm shorting here. I got my whole college kids fund at 37. You can't get there, NQ. You can't get there. Not only did she stop what she was doing, she turned right around and made sure she stopped. She ran at 37 level. It was crazy. It was an amazing sight to see. Amazing sight to see.
It was that was pretty crazy. And you know it hit my TP, but I had closed it at break even. So I could have made like $400 and ended my day at 1,000. Hey Alfred, I need the NQ to unbreak it. So yes. Yes. Bring back the joy in my life. Thank you. Don't leave me here with these tears. Hey, this might be the perfect song for NQ. She said she was done.
Huh, that's interesting.
Life is cruel without you beside me, NQ.
That is
Unbreak my account.
Let me look at this roll again, because shit, we can't even I can't even unmute him. Let me look at this roll again.
What? Dang. You don't put a
Because
super block on our boy Alfred.
No, it's on the roll. I could have sworn I put it to where you can actually just that me or you can just unmute somebody in the chat.
VWAP getting closer and closer to break even. Not looking good. Yes, I need you.
Honestly, I might just close this damn thing, man. Like this market is just slow.
No.
Like, yeah, it's just slow.
Oh. Hold to target. Going back up, baby. Blasphemy, exactly. What was it?
Taking the profits and hold on, taking the profits before you hit your TP. Blasphemy.
Blasphemy.
Taking the profits before it hits your TP. That's
straight up blasphemy. I do it all the time though.
okay. So, all right. So, allow members to talk in this voice chat. If this permission is disabled, members are default muted until somebody with the mute members permission unmutes them. Okay. So, all right. So let's go back. So I gotta probably update that permissions for that. So mute members. Oh, so we didn't have it. That's why. Actually, we do have it. Allow members to mute other members in the voice chat. Yeah, we got that. The hell? Okay.
They'll be profitable again. 6. Yes, I just want you to hit 37.
So they can connect.
Take some orders away.
Allow members to talk in this voice chat. If this permission is disabled, members are default muted until somebody with the mute members permission unmutes them. Oh, okay. So let me see. Mute members. We got that though. Allow members to mute other members in the voice chat for everyone. I mean, we got that. I feel like, thank you. Oh my God, dude. But just pump. Well, I guess that's my fault for trying to scalp when the market is being slow. Might as well marry the position if that's the case. I'm gonna leave my stop where it's at. And this is probably the last trade I take, and then I just come back in the morning and start trading for real. Probably have to start setting limits on the Nasdaq, or I probably might just take it. Probably might just close it.
Perfect song.
taking profits before the market hits your TP. Blasphemy. Allow members to mute other members in the voice chat. All right, so they can connect. Allow members to talk in this voice chat. If this permission is disabled, members are default muted until somebody with the mute members permission unmutes them. Okay. And so I should be able to
I was
unmute.
like that break on this candle. It's 9 o'clock. Oh,
Hey, Alfred, say something. Okay, so we see you. I don't know if you're saying anything though. I mean, well,
yeah, I see the green. Can't hear you.
Mic check, mic check.
okay, there we go. Okay, so I guess what you have to do is let me try this again. So, all right, so there you go. All right, now say something.
Yo, yo, yo.
Okay, yeah. So all you gotta do is just right click and Smith in the future, where you see where it says mute. All you gotta do is click that,
Yeah.
and then unclick it, and then yeah, you'll see that he's being muted and unmuted. Like
That's just like the Microsoft Teams.
yeah, I don't know why they made it all complicated on this damn thing, man. It's like, dude, I should just click the mute symbol and just that should unmute you, but I have to do all kind of extra stuff.
No, they never make it simple.
Nah, even though it should be. Like it should never be that hard. Gain weight.
Okay. Let me see if I got God mode rights. Say something, Alfred.
Blah, blah, blah.
Saying something?
Hello? I guess you silenced me.
Hello?
I don't know. Well, I was saying something, but yeah, I'm talking. I'm talking.
For me or
You probably silence him for you. Hey, well, Smith,
Yeah.
can you hear me? Because I hear you. I hear Alfred. I'm pretty
Yeah.
sure everybody else.
I can hear Sherm, but I think when you mute an individual, that means that you can't hear them regardless.
Yeah. Well, all right. I don't have God mode rights. So
No, yeah, you do, bro. So did you right click Alfred?
Oh, I gotta right click.
Yeah, right. Hold on. What did you do?
Yeah, I did. I guess I did that. Right click. I see the options.
All right, so you see where it says mute?
You have to uncheck it.
So click on that.
Okay. I muted it.
And it didn't work?
Can you hear me?
I hear you.
You can't hear me anymore?
It says he's muted, but I think he's just muted for me.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's probably what it is. So click on server mute. Click on that. Yeah, click on that. Did you click on it?
Yep.
All right, so unclick it.
Still talking? Can you hear him now?
Nah. Okay.
Okay. Unchecked it.
All right, so okay,
can you hear me?
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I think that's how you have to do it. I think you just have to server mute someone.
Server mute?
Yeah.
Yeah, because when you do the individual mute, that's if like somebody has like a hot mic or something like that. That's usually how I use it when I'm in a Discord. Somebody has a hot mic and you hear background noise, I mute the person.
Okay. All right. So let me just do this real quick. I'll probably do it tomorrow. Yeah. Yo, gain weight. So I'm gonna ask Muhammad if he wants to come on and talk. Cause I know, I mean, like I said, Muhammad's a really good trader. And anybody that has like insight, if you're part of the Discord, if you got insight, want to join, let's have this. So obviously we can't have people just unmuting, obviously, but and just start saying things. But I think we got the role right. I think that's all we have to do. So we just have to just server mute, and then people can just start talking, and vice versa. So. Okay. Oh yeah. So as I was as I said last week, I was going to do a deep dive on politics and the government and stuff like that. And this week I listened to 2 books on Audible. I think I will say this though. I think the Kamala campaign must have read this book too, because they did exactly everything that was in this book. And I was like, dude, no wonder why nobody didn't vote for her, because she's not even authentic for real, dude. She had no real team behind her. She was just fake through and through. And as I was reading this book, I was like, dude, this is exactly the playbook that the Democrats used this go around, and it's exactly the reason why they got the results that they got. Let me actually pull the book up. This is actually a lecture from the Great Courses. I think they changed their name now. It's called something else, but it's called the Great Courses. How the government works. So, understanding the U.S. government. So this is the lectures that I listened to this weekend, and it's by this PhD Jennifer Nicole Victor, and she does a great job explaining or going through all branches of government. And for those that are fearful of a Trump presidency, which, in my opinion, is anyway, Trump can't be a dictator unless Congress allows him to be a dictator. Congress is the most powerful branch of government. The president is just the CEO, the face. That's the person. Like I said, basically, he's the CEO, and the president has to ask Congress to approve anything, any laws outside of executive orders that he wants to implement into law. So it's Congress. And right now, Congress have no term limits. So people can literally be congressmen or women until they die. And that's usually what happens. So we're sitting there focusing on the person that has no real power at all. With the Electoral College, so I have a better understanding of why, even though Hillary Clinton won the popular vote, Trump still won the presidency in 2016. Well, apparently what happened is that Hillary Clinton got the popular vote because I believe states like New York and California, she had a bunch of votes in those states. And how the Electoral College works, it's that winner takes all. So even though she had the popular vote, she lost in key states that she needed to win. And Trump got those states by a small margin. So I think she got excess votes in California and New York, which after she wins the state, it doesn't matter how much vote she gets in that state. She's going to get all the electoral votes in that state. So that's why she had the popular vote and still lost this time around, because Trump obviously won more states than Kamala, and it was by a landslide. That's why she lost. And I think And because this was reported, they thought that this was going to be a closer race. And their plan was to draw this out for as long as possible, to do the same thing that Trump did in 2020, say that they quote unquote stole the election. They had lawsuits ready and all this other stuff, but because it was by a landslide, they had to come out and they had to die by their own sword. They made it a point to say that January 6th was the worst thing that happened, apparently worse than 9/11, even though that's like the craziest thing to say. But that's how the media made it seem. It seemed that January 6th was over 9/11. And because of that, they had to die on that sword because they had to quote unquote accept the election or the results the way it was because of how much of a landslide it was. I'm pretty sure everybody is enjoying the liberal meltdowns that is up and down on TikTok. I did listen to some of the concerns that people on TikTok had, and I know a lot of people are blaming one another. I know the Democratic Party ran on that Trump was going to divide people, but if you watch any of the mainstream media like CNN, MSBN, whatever that one is called, it is looking like they're blaming Biden. They're blaming white men. They're blaming Latino men. I mean, they came out and tried to shame black men, but came to find out it was only black. The black vote was the only people that voted for Kamala. Really, everybody else voted for Trump. So it's interesting how people can think and be disillusioned by, what's the word I want to use? They can be disillusioned by propaganda, by the media, and everything that the Democratic Party said that Trump was going to do, they're doing it so openly and people don't see it. It's like the craziest thing in the world to me, how people just blind themselves to reality. So we already got the world falling in line now that I guess the adults are back in the room. You got people who's like, okay, so Trump's the president. Let's fall in line. Let's actually start doing what we're supposed to do now. They're already talking about ending the war in Israel. They're already talking about ending the war in Ukraine. And this is what the liberals wanted. And yet I still feel that they're going to still say that, oh, Trump is still going to be a dictator, blah, 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 blah. Their feelings, their feelings, their feelings. I mean, we're still going to get that crap. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully we can get a repeat of Trump's first term, hopefully. And hopefully we can start to afford to feed our families again, be able to afford to go grocery shopping again. Hopefully.
A lot of people that I've seen on Facebook they're fearful of the tariffs that are coming.
The tariffs?
Especially the people, especially the gamers, because a lot of the games are coming from Japan and other places. They're thinking that the tariffs are gonna increase the prices of video games since they're imported from other places.
Mm.
That's so funny.
I mean, the
It's
tariffs.
like, man, get your PlayStations and your Nintendo Switches now.
Yeah, that's foolish. I mean, obviously, Trump has already stated that these tariffs are just they're like what's the correct way of saying this? Just to control behavior. Obviously, he doesn't want to implement these controls, but it's to get these other countries in line, because if they're not going to be able to import their goods to the biggest economy in the world, then their economy is going to suffer. So those are just, tariffs have always been a way to control behavior. That's what tariffs were used for. And that's why he said that he's going to place tariffs on Mexico if they don't comply with how much people are crossing the border. Because, I mean, once I saw that documentary that Chinese immigrants are flying into Mexico and crossing the border with the cartel and they're not being harmed, those people are, or at least the people that I've seen in this documentary, were clean, well clothed. None of their items were stolen, and they were being escorted by the cartel and not getting harmed. that already tells me that the government is obviously playing a part in that. And now that Trump is saying that, yeah, you keep bringing people across this border, we're going to raise some tariffs. That kind of just solidifies it for me. So, like I said, tariffs are just a way to control behavior. That's it.
Be right back.
All right. And I will give it to the Democrats. I mean, I don't believe that anybody should have that much power because I think Trump does have the House and the Senate. I think it's the Senate he has. I think we're still, well, actually, let's see if he has the House as well. But that is a lot of power to have for one person. I will agree with that. That is a lot of power.
It's like Kanye said, no one man should have all that power.
Yeah, that is a lot of power for one person. There needs to be checks and balances, man. That there always has to be. I mean, I don't think having an all Democrat or all Republican government is, because that means that we're not going to get any balance. We're not going to get no balance. It's all going to be extreme measures on both sides or either sides, because we already seen how far left the Democrat has gone. I mean, once they started impeding on parents' rights, I think in California right now, I think children now have the right to tell their parents to get out of the damn when they go see a doctor. The child has to give the parents consent to stay in the room and shit. Like, that is some crazy shit. Crazy. California has gone so far left, man. It's crazy how far left they've gone.
Yeah, those gender reassignment surgeries cost millions of dollars.
Mm-hmm.
They're trying to capitalize on that. You don't understand. Get out.
Yeah, so I think that he's trying to fight for the House. Yeah, so I think he has the Senate, but he's fighting for the House now. Or at least that's what this headline says. Like I said, I'm not gonna look too hard for it unless somebody knows. It says should be with the House and Senate. Okay. So this is going.
Come on, ES man, do something. NQ trying to do something. Hey, we got to work together.
Yeah, so I think we should. I mean, I think we should get this pump, at least a VWAP, possibly get it. Possibly.
No, it's like just chilling right there.
Possibly. So yeah, we'll see what happens, man. Let's hope that Trump makes it safely into the White House and get inaugurated on January 20th. Let's hope for his safe return. I will say that TikTok is the most they say that nuclear weapons are the most dangerous thing on the world. TikTok is the most dangerous thing to happen to the world, because at least the United States, we lost a generation to TikTok. Like I said, I deleted the app already because I think they're kind of suppressing the liberal meltdowns. Even if I search for it, it doesn't even pop up. But you got people on there thinking that they're witches and warlocks, intuitives, and we can recognize patterns and making shit up. And it's like it just makes sense why the Democrats treat their voting base the way that they do, because some people are fucking crazy. They believe all kind of crazy ass shit. Like, it's like, wow, it's crazy on TikTok. Makes no sense.
That's a part of the plan, right? The Chinese to try to dumb down the
kill American attention spans so that they will bump into each other while the Chinese just come in and take over. They just keep them occupied.
They got educational stuff, learning, on their side of TikTok.
Mm-hmm.
Ours is just full of nonsense.
Yeah, the Chinese one has the kids like showing them like how to be doctors and how to be like
efficient people in their society.
Be contributing members to society. The American one teaches them how to twerk, how to be goblins and ghouls, and how to dress up like furries and had to identify as something else.
Dude, yeah, mental illness is crazy on TikTok. And like I said, I do want to talk about this. This is very controversial. Um, but I mean, it's just the reality. So a lot of people are playing that blame game on TikTok, and you can see the side of joy, the liberals, the side of quote unquote love. Everybody that voted for Trump, whether it be blacks, whites, Hispanics, this, that, and the third, it was like, well, I hope when ICE comes to get you, I hope they take your. It's like, how can you say something like that? Just because they have a difference of opinions than you, like, why would you want somebody for that to happen to them? Like, that is like the absolute craziest thing to say. They was saying like the black one was like, if y'all get shot, black men, by cops, then don't go for it. Like, I was like, what? It's crazy that they think that way. It's like, are you really listening to what you're saying? And because I know that you got to record the video, you got to watch it, and then you got to post it. So you went through 3 stages that you got to said, you know what? I'm being a little bit kind of unhinged here in this video. Let me not say this or post this. And they post it anyway. Like, you got to be mentally just gone if you're going to post something like that, dude. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. And they're
A lot of
blaming
people
white
speak with
women.
emotion.
Yeah, they was blaming white women for voting for Trump. And I'm sitting here thinking, like, do y'all know the reality that white women live in? White men have provided a reality that white men have put their women in a position to where they can choose to come to reality if they want to. White women have always been in a reality where it's magical for them. Magical. White men have set their women up to live that way. Why does anybody believe that white women is going to give away their privilege to appease anybody else? Anybody else? Of course, at the end of the day, they can go on the internet and say, "Oh yeah, we hate our white men. We hate." They say all kind of shit about their men, but at the end of the day, white women will stand tall with their men. That's just something that other races fail to realize. I don't understand it. That they've said that black women are the most unmarried women, and that's true because the welfare system has conditioned black women to, what's the correct word I want to use? They have conditioned black women to rely on the government and welfare to be the man of the house and kick the black male out. And anybody that has been raised in a single black family home will know that it's about that welfare check. So I don't understand why anybody would assume that white women would ever give up their privilege. Ever. Of course, they're going to be 50% voting with their male counterparts. And then they're talking about white males. I mean, haven't y'all been bashing white males like forever? I mean, aren't they like the devil now? I mean, why did y'all expect for them to even vote for Kamala? I mean, why? Why would y'all expect that? It's just crazy. Like, why, like, you're gonna sit here and bash men in, I mean, any gender, and then at the same time say when it's time to vote for Kamala, it's like y'all couldn't even vote for Kamala. It's like, why are we voting for her? Like, why? Why? So it's like, yeah, it's very interesting over there on TikTok. I had to delete the app because it was getting too ridiculous. It was just getting too ridiculous. So yeah,
Yeah, TikTok has always been a cesspool. I've I've had it before, and I'm just like, this is a waste of time.
it is a waste of time.
I'm just like, I got rid of it. Like I only check Facebook to see if like one of my family members has said something, and
Mhm.
like my only thing that I check on Instagram, I'm guilty of checking for the big booty pictures and stuff like that. That's
Okay.
something I use to pass the time. But I mean, other than that, I don't really engage too much on social media.
You know, for that.
But yeah, so all I'm saying is that when it comes to politics, I understand that it's definitely a touchy subject. I get it. I get it. I've come to realize that a lot of people like to live vicariously through their party. I get it. And we're not going to be too political on here. We're just it's the post elections, we're talking about it. It affects the market. So, but for the most part, yeah, we don't really talk about it because we know this is a touchy subject. We get it. A lot of people can't handle it or are not able to have a constructive conversation if there's a differencing of opinions. Because I'm always open to listen to anybody's opinions as long as you're not being disrespectful or anything.
I do agree. We kind of lost that able to have a conversation. They think if you yelling or if you're louder that you're right. That doesn't
Mhm.
make you right.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, some people
whatever.
they
I'm
just
just
don't
looking for my
they don't have that the ability to listen to something that they don't agree with.
I'm just looking for my 296. I'll be done. It's at 300. This may be a time is it? And you might be in this, or I might be in this for. This might be like what was it? Friday
You got an
pre-market.
all-nighter?
Yeah, I might just
might.
we'll just come back. We'll just come back in the morning. I don't feel like sitting in that. I don't feel like I'm
Yeah,
missing.
because I'm in a short. I'm looking for it to double bottom, and either it continues or I get out.
Yeah.
I think this thing keeps going. Like, I mean, we could see the 200 EMA, man. We could see it.
Probably I should have took my L. Should have took my L up here. Freaking NQ is being real strong on the short side though, versus ES.
I'm looking at Bookmap right now, and shit, dude, I don't know, man. I really don't know, bro. I wouldn't scale into it I don't know, man.
Married to this position right now. We're married to the game. So
Quickie turning into a relationship.
we are married to the game.
Oh no.
We done had we got 4 kids in this relationship right now.
Oh no. You just going out for coffee. Now you coming back with kids?
AKA,
Hold on, guys. Give me a second.
AKA 4 contracts. We committed.
Those are the worst.
Let's get this double top.
We're a long way from the double top.
Super long.
Yeah, let's test the bottom one more time. Because on Bookmap, if it breaks 261, then it could drop a little bit. Because they have orders sitting at 21 under 21,150. They have like 201 orders sitting there. So
yeah,
I'm just looking to see if it can get there.
Well, I know if they drop 260, we probably gonna go for this session low, fill the gap, and then more than likely, if it's a aggressive short, then maybe it stalls out between 210, 220, maybe. But if they really want to get frisky, shoot, yeah, that 150 area is where I've got this demand, this demand zone. So we'll see though. They could have at least brought it back to damn VWAP. At least. It's the least y'all could have done, Bulls.
Nah, they know that they know you're waiting for that, and they're like, nah, we're not gonna give them hope. NQ loves to do that. It loves to take away the hope. He said, you smoking on that hopium? Not tonight.
I'll be happy with that.
Because I really don't want
Push.
All right, man.
I got one on the way though, but gain weight. We going to 23K, okay? That's the goals. That's the target. 23K. So chill. We got this. We're going to 23K.
It's interesting to hear that gain weight trying to short this when he's the main one talking about we're going long, we're going long, we're going long.
Yeah, he's still holding his position from 16K, 14K.
Man, dude. If no one doesn't get what gain weight is doing at this point, I don't understand why they take gain weight's trolling seriously. Like, just laugh. It's gain weight. That's what he does. Just laugh. Stop being serious. He's just trolling. Like, so why so serious? Like, dude, gain weight is trolling, guys. Like, please don't get angry at gain weight. He's just trolling. Tell him gain weight.
Yo,
Okay, so
he be going in the book math chat, doing the reverse psychology and fading everybody in
The master pump and dumper, huh?
there.
Get them all high. He's like, yeah, go from longs, and then he's sitting there shorting them the whole time.
Yeah, bro.
The master fade.
I'm surgical with these clippers.
Oh, last time I fumbled the bag.
Mm,
I got off stream, went to sleep. It pumped up. I was up unrealized 3K. I watched it on my phone. I was like, nah, let me just go to sleep. We'll be at, what was that at the time? Was it 300 I was trying to get to or something like somewhere stupid? Like, yeah, we'll be at 300 in no time. It'll hit my target.
well,
I'm gonna wake up happy. Nope.
hold on. So, okay. So I'm looking at my Ninja Trader chart, and dude, hold on, Alfred, you got Ninja Trader? You trade on Ninja Trader?
No,
I
I
just
trade
find
on
it
Tradeovate.
Tradeovate. I find it
Yeah,
weird that like I said, my Ninja Trader chart is saying that the high is at freaking 311, and saying that we're at 311 was the high.
should
Anyway,
say 320 because the first candle went straight up there, then it wicked.
did it really?
Yeah, the opening
Yep.
candle. I
Let's
missed the opening candle. I looked at the time because I was watching something. I was like, oh, it's 6:01. I'm like, I look at the chart. I'm like, come on.
Man, it was like, yeah, it was like 5:10, and MS was already up like 72 points. I was like,
I was like, man, look at this, a gap up and then it shoots up straight to the moon. Like, Jesus.
Oh, that's so interesting
I
because
told, hey, I messaged Sherm. I was like, what I say? We may just gap up and then get us. I said it too before the market even opened. I'm like, bro, we may gap up and then probably get a sell off, but then I don't want to short this. I don't want to short an American holiday. And they not closing any. It's regular hours too. So, but it'll probably be low volume though. Regular hours, low volume. I would imagine because it was low volume last year, wasn't it?
yeah, it was. Yeah,
And it was just going.
well,
Yeah.
where's your break even at, bro? Because I'm not gonna lie to you. I know everybody's trying to long this shit, but this shit looks short. Where's your break even at?
I mean,
I'm not long.
I see the pattern.
Well, I'm looking anyway.
I see the pattern. I
Yeah.
see the pattern on a small time frame.
Yeah. I would get out if it touches your break even, if it gives you break even, bro.
That's blasphemy, Sherm. Blasphemy.
Well, I mean, in this situation, I would take break even if it gives you, bro. I would give it because I mean, well, let me look at this because I guess only my chart it opened and I didn't get I don't have a candle at 320. I'm looking at my Tradeovate chart as well and Ninja Trader 8, and they're both saying 311. Now I got the 320 on my on my UProfit account, but I don't got 320 on my Ninja Trader 8 account. So I don't know what the hell is going on right now.
That's funny you meant because this isn't continuous. This is what's on stream is the December contract.
Is it really?
They don't have continuous on here.
Oh, dude, that's so weird. Like, dude, look at this, man. All right, so okay, so I must be like in a different universe or some shit. At least my chart is because I got at least my like, dude, this is UProfit. This is the December contract, and this one is also saying 311. So where y'all getting 312.20 at? What the hell?
The opening candle pumped up to it went all the way to 320 to the T and then starts selling off.
That is interesting. So I definitely am on the December contract. Let me look at.
I was in the app because I wasn't in front of my computer.
Mm-hmm.
The app, it's like, nope, up 72 points. So I was like, dang, man. I'm like, well, let's look for the shorts. And then I'm in here.
Huh.
When did I get on? I could have shorted this, but I didn't take it.
Hmm. That's interesting. So that says 311 too. Okay. All right. I mean, I'm a rock with it, but I'm looking on TradingView on the December contract. I don't see a wick at 320. Yeah, this is saying that the high of the day was, I mean, let's look at Top Step X. I mean, because all three of my charts are saying 311.
Order filled.
Okay.
I'm on Top Step X right now. It says 320.
320.
High is a 21,320. Because that was the first one I logged into because Tradeovate didn't want to load up it didn't want to load up originally. So I went to Top Step X and I was like, oh, look at that. Look at this big gap up.
That's interesting. I mean, y'all guys see it, right? Yeah, looking at my charts and all of them say 311. That's interesting. That's interesting.
Ninja lied to you.
Well, no, what I'm saying is, if you look on my stream, Top Step Up is telling me 311. It's telling me 311 on Top Step X. I don't see no candle up here at 320 at all. Yeah, high is 311 on Top Step X.
What you got? What you got as the high for ES?
Let's see. MES. On Top Step X, I got the high to be 38. On Top Step X.
Are you looking at NQ or MNQ?
I'm looking at MNQ. It must be different for. Oh yeah, you're probably right.
You look at NQ.
Oh, okay. You're looking at the. Okay, all right. I was
Yeah,
like,
I'm looking
dude,
at
I know I'm not
NQ.
tripping, yo. Yes, because y'all know I trade micros. So y'all looking at the Nasdaq. Okay, that's probably what it was. Okay.
Pennies.
All
Yeah.
right. I was like, dude, there's no freaking way, bro, that all three of these charts are wrong. Okay.
So I was like, wait a minute, because I just switched over to your stream. I'm like, wait a minute, he's looking at the micros. I went to look at the micros myself. It didn't say 320. I'm like, okay. I see. I think I understand what he's talking about. But if you look at NQ, you should see a giant wick.
Minis, baby. Man, that's crazy. Micro chart didn't follow suit.
Probably
10
trying to.
points. 10.9 point difference. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Well, I'm kind of upset about that because I had a good position and looks like it does want to at least go back up to possibly 290. But like I said, dude, I don't know. We wouldn't have to break out above 290 and find support. Because we do got that breaker structure. They did came back and they did try to sell it. No, I can't chase that, dude. I'll just wait. I think eventually we come back up there. I mean, I think we eventually double top.
Get it out of the way now so I can go to sleep. I'll come back in the morning.
Rhino, you say you're gonna add back short. Dude, I think. I mean, because if the Bears can hold 280, 290, or 288, 290, this little range right here, if they can hold that.
Hey, hold on. ES just cleared the book.
Did they?
Possibly get to 39.
Let's look at ES real quick. I don't know, bro.
Possibly get to 39.
ES is making. Go ahead.
I'm looking. Well, 39. So 39 on the book map. That's what I got their next set of orders, and then 39 is my next. What's that? R3 for ES. So if she pushes up there.
Mm. We'll see what happens with ES. Because technically she's somewhat, we'll see. I mean, if ES come the same way how she came last week, then this shit don't mean nothing, but they kind of already sold it at 38. They sold it at 38 already. And we already saw them. They had like 1,000 orders at 38. So, I mean, I guess they could. I mean, I guess we'll see, man. I guess we'll see tomorrow.
That was game way playing around, spoofing. Like, look, I got 1,000 contracts. Say hello to my little friend. 1,000 contracts. Play with me if you want.
I think Gain Weight's the one that has the contract sitting under, was it 21,150? I think he's got that.
It probably would be.
That's why he's like, yeah, I'm sure.
So open, high, low, close. JT. So 20, 12, 278. 278. Yeah. 278. Double top. So the way this looking, yeah, they actually might run that. Well, like I said, we'll probably get the 290. And then 290 will probably be the deciding factor of what they're going to do next. Because, I mean, if they can find support above this area where we got that breaker structure, because you can see that they broke structure to the downside here. The bears came in and they sold the retest right here. But it looks like they're not going to hold it. The bulls came in at the 50. And so they could come back up here. And this is where the bears are going to have to hold. If they don't hold this, we're going to see a stop run. And then we're going to see that test to hold right there. We'll see. I'm kind of mad that I got out of that. I should have stayed in that. Man, I should have stayed in that. I had a good entry. I had a decent enough entry. I'll just come back tomorrow.
This would make for the perfect W on your chart if it gets back to like 307, 309, 310. It would be the perfect W pattern. Double bottom. Oh, it's for the micros. That's the highs. Yep.
Yeah, I'm looking at your stream now, bro. Take that, man, bro. Take it at break even if it gives it to you. I would take it at break even.
Nope.
All right, where do you have your stop? You got your stop at, bro, exactly where you have your stop could be potentially where the market is trying to go.
Yeah, see that when I suggested that last week, you guys were like, no.
I think that's where the market's trying to bounce at, bro. Either move your stop back underneath the because if it goes underneath the 50 EMA is going lower, but where you got your stop is where the market is going to probably bounce at, bro. Because I got 257 as the top of this range, and that's R2 for me on my chart. So just be mindful. Yeah, that's right, Ivan. I want my target, goddammit. Any other time, it's if you take profits before the target, that's blasphemy. But in this case, bro, yeah, take that break even, man.
Blasphemy.
Who is this Sherm? I don't recognize this Sherm.
Yeah, this Sherm is scalping. He's talking about taking break even. Nah.
Yeah. He's like, maybe you should take a break even or take a loss. What kind of Sherm is this?
I never said take a loss. This one. No, that's blasphemy. I ain't say take no damn loss, bro.
take a loss.
There he is. There's the term that we know.
I said never saying about never taking no loss. I said take your break even. And if you're gonna hold it, just be mindful that that 250 area is exactly where we could see a bounce in the market.
Hold on
Yeah,
now.
yeah. You said take a break even was just like taking a loss before.
Hey, I can change. I can change.
I can change the NQ. I could change her ways.
Mm,
Good luck
yeah.
with that.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait until and see if he get because dude, the way this is looking, man, I mean we all know if it ain't going up, it's going down and vice versa. This shit ain't going up. As much I mean the bulls are buying this thing and it's not moving. I mean, let's look at the liquidity for tonight. I mean, obviously it's the overnight, so I don't expect for it to be a lot of liquidity. I mean, in the micro NQ we got 67,000 contracts, but everything else is around the NQ got 22,000 contracts running, and the ES and the micro ES got 33,000 contracts running. So, I mean, that's obvious. That is low liquidity, but
Item.
I think I'm gonna start doing that too, man. I think I'm gonna start doing that. Yeah, probably
Maybe
start doing
wait
that.
till like 11 o'clock. 10 o'clock push. Don't make me wait, NQ. Don't make me wait.
Yeah, bro. They rejected off of VWAP on the ES. Like I said, they probably might come back around like 30, 31 on the ES, and then we'll probably see like a bounce. But I mean, if they break that, then I will be looking for probably like 618, 617 for a possible long on the ES if we get it. I think they're going to try to go long at S1. I mean, hopefully, if they do it overnight, I mean, if S1 is going to be a trap, then I'm definitely going to go long around S2 on ES at 614 because we got the higher day on Friday, or what was that, Thursday? The higher day Thursday was 613 on Thursday. And I'm thinking that the market is going to want to try to come back around that area and bounce the market. So actually, I probably might get in long at 614, 615, somewhere in that area. Yo, congratulations on that, Derek. Are you talking about the milestone account? If so, congratulations on their payout. Yeah, congratulations, man. So that's what this is all about. Oh, this is for Top Step. Yo, congratulations. Okay, Top Step. I remember you trade Top Step. $5,500 in a payout. Congratulations, dude. Congratulations. That's what it's all about. Getting them payouts. Getting them payouts. Yeah, bro. I think they're gonna do that shit, man.
We couldn't do it. All right, so we couldn't do it on that wave up.
Let me look at the book map. Let me look at book map real quick. Yeah. Okay. Let me ask you this, Smith. How much are you willing to risk? I mean, if you're not going to take a small loss, how big of a loss are you trying to take? Or how much risk are you trying to put on this trade? Because the reason why I ask is because to be absolutely safe with this long, if you would have to kind of put it under like you would have to kind of put it at S1 around like 215, and that might be too much. We could see a bounce at where your stop is, but then they can also come in at 240. As long as they stay into this range, we can see a move back up. If the bulls can hold this range, we can see that move back up. But
yeah, I'm leaving my hard stop here.
all right.
But you're right. They probably could. I mean, they could. Saying they can't. They could. Stop. But I think if they do that, then they're gonna try to definitely aim for session low.
Yeah, the Nasdaq will probably just try to trap people there. Well, actually, I mean, at the same time, I guess I am. I gotta be mindful that you're looking at the NQ chart and the price action might be different. Because I mean, obviously, I got the 320. Shit, I guess I still got my limit from Friday on at 315.
Oh shoot! So it would have. Dang! If it would have got there on the micros and then and then dropped,
I would have caught something.
you'd have had a second. You'd have had a second play. One ghost play and one real one. We had what, 5, right? That's what it showed, like 5 on.
Yeah, I had like 5 micro contracts. It's up like a $900. Just straight took that. But I think, like I said, I think
That's what I'm saying, Derek. Go ahead.
I know if go ahead, bro.
No, I was saying, Derek, we hadn't filled that gap yet. So I'm saying, let me eat real quick. NQ, go up.
Order filled.
Hey, I'm only asking for 296. If you can give me more, if you can give me this top area, that's fine too. But let me eat. Let's get us a double top. Then a drop. Then we could go for the gap.
And we'll see what happens when price gets down here. We'll see. Like I said, like, dude,
Yes.
if NQ fills that gap, then it's a trap. I mean, that's just a trap. I mean, we should know this by now.
Trap.
That's just a trap. NQ consistently misses that gap the first time. The trap in bears just to use their stops to go and go for the liquidity above highs, yo. She constantly does that shit. If y'all haven't picked up on NQ's tendencies, you haven't been trading her long enough. She does that shit. Remember, we called it out before she did it. I was like, yo, she's going to, if she fills that gap, she's going lower. And what did she do? She filled the gap. Everybody got in long, and then she crashed down. It's just that she fills that gap, we're going lower. And that's just what it is. Now,
So I'm talking about. So we need that bullish energy right now.
everybody's trying to flood the chat with their bearish thesis, huh?
I don't want to hear your bearish thesis. I'm in an emotional state right now. I don't want to hear your bearish thesis.
Bro, take your break even, bro. Take
Hey.
it. Take it. Take it. Take it.
Nope.
Take it.
Nope. I'm standing on it. We standing on business.
Standing tall with it, huh?
No. I'm standing on business. Which symbols you talking about? That's right, so let's go. Let's go. I hope they don't double top this though. That would be just nasty work. That would be nasty, disgusting. And then they drop it from the 80s or missing 90. Yeah. All right, VWAP.
Yeah, I definitely agree, Derek.
Yes. CL. Oh, were you talking about my stream might be delayed. I forgot. You talking about this? See if you could fast forward to live. It might be delayed. You talking about this chart? This is my real trading view chart. This is where I'll be what I'll be looking at off to the right here. Yeah. This is just an EMA ribbon. Yeah. VWAP. I don't really have much. Oh, you talk about tick strike. My bad. Yeah. You talking about that. Yeah, that's the tick strike. I think I still got it. I think I still got it in the description if you want to check it out. That's tick strike. This stuff, yeah. It just gives you volume and stuff, or yeah. It's like a real time volume stuff. I think they teasing me. I think it's a tease. Come too far to drop now. We've come too far. Give me my 296.
290.
We've come too far.
296, huh? Okay.
296. Detox. I mean, technically, it's a demo, I guess. It's sim funded, so it's not in the live markets.
It is the live markets.
It's a simulated funded account. And my max drawdown is 48K. Grown the balance to 13K so far.
Yeah, Derek. Yeah, at least on the Nasdaq, you was able to get like a decent pump on the Nasdaq, but it seems like so the trend that I've been seeing with Nasdaq is that we'll get that drop, and then we'll get a pump, and if we get a pump, we get a drop. If whatever happens at the open, the market tends to fade the open. Well, hopefully you get your target, bro.
Oh, did they put their legacy accounts back, or are they only rocking 0 accounts now?
No, they only got the 0 accounts. They don't got their legacy accounts anymore.
What they doing over there? I mean, the 0 account is pretty good. I'm not gonna lie.
Dude, it's the only account at this point. It's the only account.
Oh, you got MFF. If I could ever log into damn Quan Tower, I get this mess set up.
Yeah, we could probably get like a drop to like.
Saw me Friday. It took me 3 hours to get in there. I'm playing. It wasn't that long, but it did take me a long time just to get logged in.
Nah, Smith had to go to Quan Tower University and get his PhD just to be able to set the charts up, man. That's how crazy it is over there.
Just to be able to log in. Yeah. And then I was trying to test the trade out and got clapped. I hit DLL.
Oh man, that's nasty. I was about to ask you if you got that set up, but that was when the mic, like when I couldn't speak, because I was gonna like try and help you out. It looks like you got it figured out in the worst way.
Found out all right. Found out.
You learned today.
I mean, that's how you learn, man. You gotta blow a couple of accounts before you start to win. That's how we learn. You gotta blow a couple of them first to see what you can get away with.
Requires sacrifice.
Especially with NQ, she requires sacrifice. Gold requires sacrifice, dude. Like you can literally blow that account in like 2 seconds, man. Especially if you over leverage.
Here we go again. Username. Oh, did I put it? Hold on.
Okay, man.
Oh, that's what it was. I had to put it on real and not demo for MFF to log in. Because now it's logging me in. That's what it was. Huh. That's crazy. I'm connected. Crazy. Why would it make me choose a real account if it's not? Oh, whatever. What ifs? Oh, shoot. They actually could do me dirty right here. They could. I might have to take break even. They could do me dirty.
Bro, I'm telling you to take break even, bro. But it's your account.
Never say that. That's blasphemy.
Blasphemy. I mean, I can see 290. 296 might be too much, bro.
I think so.
Because that would mean like, dude, if they get to 296, then that means that it's going higher. I mean,
And they might attempt. That's why I've said they might attempt 300, spoof or fake them out, and drop at 300. But if you get to 300 or near 300, you might as well go for this top.
Yeah, I mean, dude, if it gets like, dude, where your target's at, that would suggest that we're going higher than where you got your target at. Not saying that where you got your target is wrong. I'm just saying like, well, the Bulls would definitely have to break above that breaker structure around 280, 290. They'll have to break above it, find support, and then it would be going higher than that.
All right. Thank you, CME. How do I? Hey, is there a way you could save this so I don't have to load the chart every time I log in?
No, like that, like,
Alpha,
dude, Quant Tower is just so stupid, man. That's just stupid.
You the Quant Tower champ, Alfred.
You should be able to bind it together. I'm not sure why you can't do that.
I want to save so I don't have to reload the chart every time.
Yeah, because whenever I go onto Quant Tower, like my setup is like I have my setup bound together, and it stays on NQ.
Huh. It just says everything is blank, nothing to display. Like I gotta redo pretty much everything.
No.
See, I guess I had, I don't know. I guess I had it bound wrong or something.
Yeah, I would take a look to see if there's a Quant Tower YouTube video, like how to bind.
Man, dude.
Quant Tower University.
Yeah, I mean,
I had to go through so many Quant Tower videos, man, just to have to figure it out by myself through trial and error. I was like, dude, I would never buy another Quant Tower account, man. I would not buy another one.
I've never had any issues with the Quant Tower accounts.
I only traded Quant Tower back when Top Step had those trade evade issues. Remember that?
Yeah, I remember that. But yeah, for my funded futures, I trade on the quant tower, because like the DX feed has, like I told you before, it has like the faster response. So if you pass an account on the DX feed, they move you over to a funded account within the same day, depending on when you got it.
And that's dope. But for me, I don't think it's worth it messing around with this.
Yeah.
I mean,
I mean,
I'll figure it out again eventually, but
I thought it would work for you, but unfortunately, the quant tower gods aren't smiling upon you.
I guess once you get it set up, I mean, I guess it's straight. But I mean, if you don't got like the I guess the lifetime license or special license that they had, you can't use like what is it called? The iceberg, or you can't use the special orders that they got in the options.
Yeah. Yeah, you have to have the license for that. Because I'm using basic quant tower.
Yeah, man, it's straight once you get it set up, man. Okay, so it looks like I should have stayed in my original long. I would have got my scalp. I think it would have just hit my TP, or my stop would have
Yeah.
moved up by now. Yeah, my stop would have moved up.
you closed out?
Oh yeah, I closed
No
out,
way
man.
you closed out. You ain't in this with me? Ah, traitor.
No,
Treason.
I moved my stop up
This
to
is
break
treason.
even, and the Nasdaq was just being nasty to me.
Ivan, you good. I'm good on that.
She was being nasty. She stopped me out at break even.
All right. We gotta break out above 90 to really go. Because if they stall here at this neckline, man, like I said earlier, that would be nasty. Low key should be.
Yeah, I never really tried to copy trade on Ninja Trader 8 game, or I'm sorry, Derek. I tried to do it with Apex, and that only lasted like 2 seconds. And I was like, yeah, I'm not blowing all these accounts at the same time. And that was the last. And JT, you said that you think she's gassed here. We'll see. I mean, they got to break above this level. They got to break above 290. They have to break above it. If they don't, then yeah, but they have to break above 290.
Some authority. Respect my authority.
And shit, Smith, like I said, if it breaks above 290, shit, you might as well just put your target up a little bit higher then, because it's going past 296 if it breaks past this.
Going to the moon. Well, for right now, like I said, that's why I'm actively managing it. We get up here, we'll see. We'll see when we get here. Sierra chart. I heard you have to have a your quantum physics degree to set up Sierra chart as well. So I'm not sure about that. I heard it was good. Connection is great, but yeah, I heard you have to have like your physicist. Yeah, you have to be a heart surgeon as well on the side as your secondary. Yeah, for Sierra chart. Set that up. Yeah, I looked at Sierra chart before, man. So I think it's more old school looking than the Ninja Trader. Like, what is this? Windows 95? But I heard it's like the fastest, most stable. They got the fastest, like most stable connection. Try looking up on how to set it up. All right.
Our boy Smith said he gonna stand 10 toes down on this one. Hey, you gonna probably get rewarded, man. I wish I would have just got rewarded if I stayed in mines. This was just too slow for me though.
It is super slow. I could take my
Man, I
profits
guess I'll
here.
just come back tomorrow, man. Or later on today.
No,
What?
no, not taking nothing. Hold to target, baby.
I think this is a great showing of why taking profits before hitting your target is blasphemy. It always goes to your target after you close. All right, let's see if it
Go to
breaks
my
out here.
target. It didn't go to my target.
Where's your target at, Alfred?
My target was the low of the day. No, the low of the low, like pretty much where it came down. Like I was looking to get out at 250, no 258, and it came down to it, and then it kept going. It reversed on me, so
Damn.
I'm about to get stopped out.
Damn. Hold on. You said your target was at 250? Oh, well, never mind. Trade Nasdaq.
Yeah. But I mean, it's just an eval or top step combine, so it's not the end of the world.
Yeah, you can just buy another one. Yeah. This is just basically a video game. I mean, I hope our boy gets his shit. I mean, everybody else, well, not Alfred, unfortunately, but everybody else stopped out of their longs. Man, I would have got my target hit, man. Like, what the hell is up with that? Why did I close out of this? Or why did the Nasdaq have to come back and touch my break even? Man.
This could start to reverse here, though.
No, I think you're good, bro.
Start to reverse here.
Let's see how this candle closes.
I've been following these small time frames. Is what's doing it. Yes.
You know, people keep talking about that about the small time frame, but that's, in my opinion, that's the only time frame to be on for real. If you trade an intraday scalping, I mean, you referenced the higher time frame, but I mean, I barely look at the higher time frame for real. Outside the 18,000 tick chart. And this is the highest I go. It tells me all I need to know. And the way that this thing is looking. Bro, I think you're good, bro. I think you're good. I think you're going to get your target hit, man. If they can break above, like I said, 290. If they can break above it, you can get your target hit. Because they'll probably squeeze above 290.
The orders are appearing on the board at my target area, so that is the next wall to break through.
Ivan says that he used a 5, 1, and 10 seconds. On Nasdaq, a 10-second chart is crazy, bro. That's crazy.
That's pure madness.
Yeah. You gotta be a squirrel to keep up with that. 10 seconds.
That's that TikTok attention span.
This is what a 10-second Nasdaq chart looks like. I mean, honestly, it doesn't look that bad, actually. It kind of looks like, it doesn't look that bad.
Man, heck no. Heck no. What the heck is that?
It doesn't look that bad, bro. It does. I mean, dude, this is like a 1,000 tick chart. At least that's how I see it.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
Yeah.
That is nasty looking.
No?
Get that off the screen.
I guess I could trade this. I was like, okay, yeah, I can trade this.
That looks like somebody with some kind of sickness.
I can trade this.
Like, he's fine. No, he's gonna die. No, he's fine. He's gonna die.
It's a Heikenaishi. He says 5 and 10 seconds on a Heikenaishi chart.
Oh, tripping on that. Ivan, you tripping right there, bro.
I ain't gonna lie. That does look like that's
Crazy.
gonna break out. That does look like that's gonna break. So this is the 10 second chart on the Heiken Ashy chart. You said the 5 seconds.
That looks better. That looks better. I could probably trade that.
Yeah, I could too, probably. Yeah, it's not that bad. But I mean, shit. I mean, the regular candle. I mean, honestly, like I said, this is like the 1,000 tick chart on Nasdaq. So I guess when I look at it, it's like, okay, that's not that bad. Now, when the market is moving, 10 seconds will probably be absolutely crazy, dude.
See that? Yeah, put a 10-second on New York Open if you want. You're gonna find out.
Yeah. Find out how fast it.
Quick.
Especially if like you don't have a seizure or something. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Imagine watching your
wouldn't.
E&L.
Oh yeah, that's wild.
Yeah,
I can do it.
Ivan, honestly, I'm on your side, man. Like I said, it doesn't look that bad to me. It does not look that bad. I can definitely trade this.
Whatever works for you. I mean, you got to do what works.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, as somebody who's an outsider looking in, it's wild.
Yeah, come back at New York Open and let me see that.
It's a market rave.
Mm.
All these flashing colors.
Okay. All right.
That you won't do the 1 second though.
The 1 second, huh?
Man, what are we doing here? Dang, this is slow. They really gonna make me wait till like to get my. Well, maybe they'll do something at 10:30, but
We'll see. Oh yeah, actually, let's look at the hourly chart. I mean, I think yeah, bro. I think you should be good, bro. That looks like a decent hourly, man. Yeah, that's a decent hourly. That's decent.
Man,
yeah, bro, you should get your target hit. I wish I stayed in long with mine. I'll just come back tomorrow morning, but you should get it, bro.
I just don't like the 5 minute. 5 minute is making me think, they're gonna stop it at this neckline.
Ooh, shit. Ooh.
You know what? Thank you, ES. I don't have time for this.
Oh, strong, bro. Oh, strong.
I don't have time for your game.
You about to break even? What?
Blasphemy.
Oh no.
Oh, strong, bro.
Three hours again. I think my heart could take another drop though.
Well, I guess, I mean, I would have had my scalp. My scalp would have got hit. And then, so I probably would have been up like $500 right now. Okay, so Smith, if this doesn't break here, it's possible that price is going to go back exactly where your stop is, bro, and bounce. If we don't break it, if we don't see a bounce at 275-ish and break that 290 level, it's going to probably try to go back down into that range. So be mindful. Be mindful of that. And I guess on a 1 second chart, we are downtrending on the 1 second chart.
On the 1 second chart.
On the 1 second chart, we are downtrending. Hey, our boy Ivan said that 1 second chart is the damn truth. It works. We got to take his word for it.
It's like my short may survive. Haven't been stopped out yet.
Where's your stop at? My target?
No, my stop was at 292.
All right. Nah, that's not enough. It's not enough, Alfred. Give me 300 now for making me wait. Thank you. Y'all silly. Give me 300 for making me wait. Bucks and commissions.
I mean,
Yes. Stop that. Stop the senseless selling. And let's go over up to 37. V8. Your ultimate target of 39. Take NQ up to 310. Because that's where we're going with this now. For making me wait. We're going to 310. Actually, I'll front run 310 and 3. Yeah, that's fine. 309.
I'm gonna try my best not to short tomorrow. If we get a breakout, when we get our breakout, I'm gonna try my best not to short, because my bear instincts is gonna try to short this. I know to short it tomorrow at the open. Because
Tuesday, right?
Yeah, Tuesday. Because I mean, this thing has happened so often. It's like, I mean, we shouldn't be surprised when it happens again.
Yeah, we prepared now. We got the info. Prepared.
Yeah.
You know what?
Now, if we go, well, we'll talk about it when we talk about it. We'll see what happens during the overnight.
Well, I'm headed out, gentlemen. I got to get to sleep. I
All right,
get
bro.
up at 5 a.m. So,
All right.
Oh, dang.
All right, good luck. Hopefully you guys
All right,
hit
bro.
your targets.
Hopefully you get yours.
I don't know about that.
Well, shit. If he gets his target, then he's gonna get your stop. So
Yeah. I have to come back stronger tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
All
All right,
y'all.
man. Peace.
Later.
Peace.
Cool. But yeah, anyway,
yeah, this. Oh, what's up?
No, I wasn't.
Yeah, this is a trading view. You just drag it. So once you open up your position, yeah, you can drag it back and forth. It'll start out here. It'll say TP and SL. You just drag it to where you want it. I don't know if that was automatic for me. I didn't have to set it up or anything like that.
We'll see, man. We'll see. We'll see. Ivan says, keep your friends close and your enemies closer. You know, I hear that that your enemies don't change, it's your friends that change. Oh, is that you? Or is that me? Oh, that's probably you. Oh, okay. I'm listening to your stream through the Discord.
$85, huh? 586. Y'all just trying to do 30 again. All right. Because if we get my 296 target and we kind of blast past it, then my stop loss will be moved into 296. Because I already said I'm good with 296. But obviously, I want more. I want more. But 296.
I mean, you would think though. I mean, I guess you would think. Let's see. $170, dude. I think I do got that level on my chart. 178. 178.
I am kind of like, if you look at Bookmap, right? I don't see no big order to the upside. I only see a bunch of big orders below. That kind of.
This is at 140. 140, 150. Yeah, okay, yeah. I can see 150 for sure. I'll probably actually go long at 150 actually. Or I'll probably look to go long around 150. Looking at my chart. Yeah, because that area where on Friday where the Nasdaq kept playing with my damn break even. No, okay, no, never mind. Because it already took the liquidity underneath this range. So we got the bounce. So I'm thinking that they're going to want to protect this low at 120. And S4 is around 150. Okay. Yeah, I'll probably try like a 150 long. 150. And then we can get price to go underneath this range and run liquidity, and then we can make a move back up into this range. Yeah.
But this, okay.
Oh no, I'm looking long term. I'm not looking at this. I'm just looking at it like where it could possibly go if the bears are successful in dropping it, where they can bounce it at.
No, yeah, I'm just looking at this short-term thing. I said, let me be quiet if they drop this thing like 15 points right now.
Yeah.
Like they're just waiting for wolves to step in.
Okay. Yeah, I think that's going to be my plan for tomorrow. If this is a double top, like bro, just keep your stops. Just keep it tight, bro. I mean, I guess we could see a move up, but the chart looks like it's trying to double top here and drop. But just keep your stops tight, because if we lose this level, it's gonna go for your stop.
I'll accept a double top. That's where pretty much where I'm aiming. I'm cool with that. If we go higher, cool with that too. But yeah, like I said, I did say they could come in right here and be funny. Shoot, we didn't even make it to 88, 89. None of that. They got to 86. Decided to kind of give up. But these candles are super weak.
Like, dude, it's like
super weak.
They always come back, dude. They always come back.
So yeah, we gotta get it. Okay, what are the other one out?
Okay, so we'll see, man. We'll see.
Y'all go. Oh crap.
Mm.
$50. All right, man. So, do I trust Euro and London? This will be the third time of me putting my trust in them to pump it. If I wait for that time, should I trust them again a third time?
What did they do? What did they do previously? Did they pump it?
No, the past two times they have sold it off at
So,
Euro and London.
I mean,
So
finish your thought, bro.
what London will do, so Euro might sell off first, and what London will do when they come in, they usually do like what I've noticed the past 2 days, trading days, they'll pump it, giving the bulls hope, and then they'll drop it past 2 days. So
Well,
do they come in and say F it?
So I mean, the pattern I've seen is that if we get a pump at open, they dump it, and then they buy it back up in New York, and vice versa. I mean, we got a pump from last Friday. This is people getting stopped out of their positions, and now people taking profits. You got the trend indicator saying that we're red. We got a breaker structure at 288, 290. I mean, we could. I mean, the bears haven't dropped it yet. All I'm saying is, if you're gonna trust it, just keep your stops tight. Because if you keep your stop where you had it at, that's most likely where the market is gonna go and bounce. or it can continue to go down. So they just have to break this level at 290 to go higher. But I mean, if they were to do that on the Nasdaq, the structure doesn't even look. That wouldn't even look right on the Nasdaq. Like, you got to break a structure. They did come back in and sell the retest. I mean, I guess they could run the stops above it and possibly double top at 306 or try to double top, but it just wouldn't look right. It would make more sense for the market to go tap back down into support and then make an attempt to retest the high.
They
Let's see what they do here at 275. They have to hold at 275 at the 21 EMA. The bulls have to buy here to hold. Because I don't think that the 50 EMA would come and save the day again. I mean, I know when they break through the 21, they come and buy it up at the 50. But anybody called you crazy? Who called you crazy again? Wait. Who called you crazy? Hey, Gainway, you don't want to hop on the mic? All right. I mean, like I said, you don't have to, but it'll be nice to hear your thoughts. Hey, Smith, so what are you doing? Okay, you're just setting up your sell order just in case it gets up to 350.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
I thought you
gotta.
were setting up to where you can take profits at, because I was like, you have to delete your take profits and then set it up with the
Yeah,
sell
no.
limits. Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's my. I was like, hey, before you get up here, I'm like, I'll sell over up here.
350, huh?
Nasty, for a
350.
nasty drop. And my, yeah, what's up?
Oh no, I was like, yeah, that's probably like a good area, like 340. Yeah, I mean, no, bro. You got to put that at 345 first. You know how it go. You know that shit goes to 345 first. It don't touch 350 the first time. Yeah, no problem, game wave.
Whoever did these emojis needs to be fired for these charts. With the red going up and the blue going down.
Well, that might be done on purpose because that's how China markets are. Apparently, their charts, red is actually means bullish, and I guess green or whatever color is bearish.
Oh,
So,
word.
yeah. Yep, red is actually bullish. And if our
Yeah, y'all, I have to wait on this one.
so Gameway, you says that Hold on, you said, hold on, are you saying that you're out of your short or you're still short? You know what, man? Mm. Mm. So I mean, if it does, I mean, because this, I mean, it'll just go, it'll just go back into this range. I would highly doubt that it trades past this. With all this support right here, and this is probably why we actually got this pump. Actually, let me take that back. That's probably why we got this gap open, because of all this support that's right here. And if it comes back into this range, the bulls will definitely buy the retest here. They'll definitely buy the retest. And then we might come back up into this range. And 340, 345 might actually. So actually, you know what? I'm gonna do the same thing, Smith. I'm actually gonna sell if it gets up here. I'm gonna put a sell order up here at 345. 340, 345 as well.
Okay. I know, bus. That might be.
Oh, it's on the top of this range right here. Yeah, come down and go up. Yeah, I think so too, game weight. That's what I was telling Smith. I think if they don't hold it here, if they don't break out here, they're going down to your stop just to bounce. So I definitely think that's what they're trying to do. But then I also wouldn't be surprised if when we wake up tomorrow, price is still floating in this same area tomorrow. I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah, top steps tilt is kind of yeah, people are 59, almost 60% short on the ES, but they're 50%, they're 50-50 on the Nasdaq, short and long.
Oh, so I'm good. I got the perfect indicator. Y'all want a short? Let's go. Let's short. Let's short. Everybody, let's short. Short, baby. No, what are you doing, Nasdaq? No. What are you doing? No. We got a short. No. What are you doing? Oh, Nasdaq.
I see what you're doing there. Fine. It's obvious the market is going short. I'm gonna close out my long here, and I'm going full port right now. Full port, college kids fund right now, with my stop at 296. Nasdaq, you're not gonna be able to get there. There's no way the Nasdaq's getting to 296.
No way. Absolutely no way.
Absolutely no way. Yeah, I'm putting my whole college kids fund right here. I'm shorting right now. Right now, I'm shorting.
Oh, no, NQ. I just took my short. What are you doing?
Please, NQ, please. Please, just drop, NQ. Please. She was like, oh, okay, y'all want me to drop? Okay. All you had to do was ask.
Talk to me nicely. No, I just looked over at ES. I was like,
Ooh,
oh,
what the
okay.
fuck? And go what? And go what the fuck, man?
What is
Hmm.
gold doing? Check the charts. Gold.
I'm
Whoa.
gonna probably
Whoa,
take this, man.
whoa.
I'm taking this on gold, man. She playing. I'm taking this.
No. No. Q, what are you doing?
I'm short right now. That's my kid's future you're about to take away from me. Please. I'm short. Mm.
Yes, I wasn't familiar with your game. I'm a, yeah, we're gonna see about ES tomorrow, man. We're gonna see. Because she ran to my target
Did you?
and I wasn't in it. Friday? You remember?
Mm-hmm. Or it's R4. I'm going to R4. I'm gonna start using these damn things. I'm going to R4, baby. Probably do like, yep, I'm gonna go to R4. All right, so I'm gonna risk about 200, about 360 right here. I would go 360.
Nah. Responsible? Nah. Nah. Target. Your target?
Cause that's definitely that's right there. Is probably where we'll see a bounce on gold. Maybe got the range right there. I see a range right there. I mean, they might come back here and sell it on gold. Actually, they might try to come and sell it at right here. All right, we'll see what happens here. Ivan says we got. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting. 12 o'clock Eastern time. So I wonder. So which one does the market respect? Does the market respect Central or Eastern time? Because the CME is obviously in Central time, but does it respect New York on Eastern time?
That pump happened last time. I think it was at 11:30.
11:30.
Yeah. Central. So it was 12:30 Eastern. Yeah.
Yeah, JT, I took the long on gold. I'm gonna swing it to S4. You said what?
5 minutes to midnight, baby. Nah, we had some people asking what's in 5 minutes. 5 minutes to midnight on the East Coast. We're in Central, so it'd only be 11 o'clock for us. But
And so it's like,
I
dude,
guess we got to
which one would
find
they
out what.
use?
I was about to say, we're about to find out what she respects. It may get a little shaky. How much time we got? What we at?
You said 2605 on gold. Shit, I hope it doesn't get all the way. You said, hold on, is that a typo? He says 2605. You talk about all the way down here? But I'll definitely try again at 2660 for sure.
Falling for this though, man. They don't do it on the first wave. They wait until the second. And I always get caught up in that.
I'll get
Probably
caught
because
up in
it's the
what?
momentum, and I'm used to creating momentum.
Mm-hmm.
But knowing, oh dang, oh,
Yeah.
what
So
time is it in China right now?
I don't know.
Probably
Uh,
no, it's probably like midday or something over there.
yeah. So I got this long in gold right now. I'm willing to scale in at 26.75 if price gets down there, but I'm shooting for 2071. Probably should shoot for 27. Probably.
Oh, we got
Yeah,
15
probably like
seconds.
right there. Probably shoot for that. Okay. Okay, let's see. 2, 1.
Blast off. Hey, hey, don't do us dirty. November 11th. Oh yeah, duh, that makes sense. I'm tripping. I'm like, no, what? Same thing. I was on the same 350. Hey, stop playing around with me. That's 3 times in Q. Yes. Playing. Yes. Buying up ES so they could buy up in Q.
Yeah, you should start doing
Hey,
that, bro.
that's cool. 350. I got a limit up there. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. I mean, low key, I should probably just take this because free market
Taking profits before it hits your TP?
target. Blasphemy. Taking profits before target? Blasphemy. Going to the ship. We going to the ship.
Yeah, if I kept my original, if I followed that scripture, I would have been up $500 right now if I followed that same scripture. Bro, I think you're good, bro. I think you're good, man. I think you're good.
Can't wait. I want my apology, my handwritten apology. You know what? You could type it in Times New Roman. That's fine. Double space. Who did you say that to? That was such a long time ago. He said, I want my handwritten apology.
And you can't use Chat GPT
Everybody
either.
else stream.
You can't use Chat GPT either. I want my apology.
No Chat GPT. I want my apology. Handwritten, well thought out. MLA format, and I want to see some sources. I want to see charts. Sources of your charts.
That's funny. So where in the charts did you see? That's actually funny. I want to see some trend lines. Support and resistance area. So tell me, what were you seeing? Our boy 5 points away from his TP, man. You deserve it, bro.
Yo, that's some fool. I can't be too loud. I got people sleeping. Oh man, y'all are funny. No, I told you. We don't want 96 anymore. We're going to 300.
Dude, if it could, like, dude, it's going further than that, bro. Like, it's definitely going further than that. Like, man, if you got the balls, you might as well just hold this thing all the way up to like 350.
I'm not gonna make the same mistake I made last time. I'm definitely not doing that. I was up unrealized 3K. That would have been a great start to the New York session. A great start.
Mm-hmm.
We're not doing that again. I learned my lesson. I had to fight being down 2100 and to fight my way back up to some profit. Nah. We learned our lesson around here. Not doing that again.
All right. I mean, if they can hold, if they hold this, if they hold it, then we're definitely going higher. We can get much higher, bro. But I got my gold play though. I got my gold. I know gold was not gonna let me down. She doesn't play with my emotions the same way NQ does. Man, every time, like, dude, I just don't know what it is, bro. Every time when I try to, dude, every time I try to damn trade scalp gold, she hurts my feelings until every time I try to scalp her, she hurts my feelings. Why she does that to me?
You got long on gold? What you got?
I'm long on gold right now. You said I'm in at 677. So I'm in right here. I'm in right here at this candle. 677. And I'm gonna swing it. Honestly, what I should probably do is like I said, I'm gonna swing it to R4, but we might actually get it to pump. Because this thing might actually start to pump for CPI. We'll see. We'll see if this holds actually. Hopefully it doesn't need to go down to 260. Because I mean, if it does, I'll just get back in at 660. If it does need to come back down here, I'll take the loss. But I think I should be good. As gold had a super drop on Friday. Oh, I'm talking about Thursday. 733. Yeah, we can probably get. Yeah, we can possibly get back up there. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna swing this, man. I'm gonna probably put this all the way up here at 45. Well, yeah. Yeah, I'll probably put that right there, dude. I'll probably put that for gold.
I cannot play music because of copyright issues. I would. So only I could hear it right now. Dang, ES 37. Please don't reject here because I was calling for ES at 37, but I don't want to see no rejection from there, ES. Matter of fact, let's tighten it up.
Congratulations, bro. That's what happens when you stand 10 toes down. You don't listen to the haters.
On business. The only thing that worries me is ES. She is not moving from 37 yet. Oh gosh.
I mean, hold on. You said you're talking still at 296, right? Or is that not good enough anymore? Okay, it's not good enough anymore.
No, that's not good enough. My stop will be at 296. my My stop will be there. But nah. That original target's not good enough anymore, baby. No. Making me wait 5 hours for this. But I should have, man, every time I say that, I should have known better. I got in on the first wave. I should have waited to the second wave. 95.25, huh? That's all you gonna give me? Okay.
Yeah, dude. I don't know what the hell. Ivan said that he was 10 toes and fingers down with this one. It said, man, you deserve it, man. I should have stayed in my long too. Well,
I thought you was gonna hold with me though. You had a better entry. Way better.
yeah, but the way it was looking, I was like, man, it's always the ones that you close out of. The ones that freaking defy chart gravity and start to work. Like, what the fuck, man? I mean, the way it was looking, it looked like they was trying to go down back into that range, and I was over leveraged. And of course, it works. Of course.
Target filled, baby. Well, it's moved now, but it would have gotten hit. We higher though now. Can we get much?
Mhm.
I don't know about this area. I don't know about this area though. I should at least take the 1K. At least. Yes. 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 You look stronger out there, yes. Appreciate that. Oh, so Ivan, you caught it too? R2 from Friday.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I see you got your target at 308. I got R4 at 307.
7.
Yeah, I got R4 at 307.
Hey, Fantong, are you looking at the same? You trading NQ? Which ink are you in? What are you trading right now? Oh, Ivan said he big chilling. He caught that long at open.
Must be nice. Every time I come at open, it doesn't want to freaking pump. Well,
Yo, remember them days when I went full port, 15 cons at open?
mm-hmm.
Bro, I think we both did it.
Yep, I held strong on that one. I was like, dude, either this account's getting
Yeah.
liquidated or I'm passing this shit. That's how pissed I was. Hold on, did you hold it or what?
Oh, the 15?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, because I remember making. I think I didn't hold like all the way, but I made like a decent amount. I think like 4K or something, 3 or 4K. You holding all the way through, and I was like, damn, I should have held.
Yeah, something like this is why I need to stay stubborn all the time.
Let's go. Hey, got a new indicator, baby. Phantom say got up to 400. Damn, bro. Nice. 299.75. Not get hey, bro. You better lock that in. At least lock in half. Please.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to see you let that go. All right, now my stop is at 96. $50 cons holding to 350 to 300, huh? Hey. Oh, I don't want to get out. We can go higher.
Shit, like I said, I would keep my damn target like what everybody's saying. We can go to 340, bro. 340, 350.
Right now, I don't think we do it right now.
Why not?
That's the
I mean, shit, like I said, we broke that level. We broke that level. If it finds support at 290, if it comes down and finds support at 290, we're going back up into this range right here. For sure.
I think ES gets 39 and NQ may get 310. Maybe. That's what I'm thinking. At least right now. Crazy out here. Y'all acting like some DJs out here. I'm trying to be responsible. If it gets, lock in some gains. If I get a whipsaw down or something. And plus, this is looking like it's about to small time frame. Let me check the higher ones first. Let me check the higher. Okay, I like the hourly.
Well, yeah. Don't necessarily work that way, but
All right, guys, that was nice. Appreciate it. I'll take that. Yeah, target hit.
oh, you actually took profits?
Hit. I took profits because I would like to go to bed now.
We
I
don't
don't want to
sleep,
be.
baby. We don't sleep. Ever since I started trading the NQ, I no longer go to sleep. The amount of anxiety that the Nasdaq gives me powers me throughout the day. I only go to sleep during the weekend when the market's closed.
Yeah. And then you only get one day, a day and a half, because it opened back up Sunday. No, my entry was horrible. It was a good hold, but my entry was horrible because I went in on this first wave. I went in on this first wave thinking, not realizing it always goes on the second wave. And that's true for both. If you're looking to catch a long or a short, it's always the second wave. And I got to keep remembering that.
Yeah.
Remember that.
Yeah, because it needs to run them stops. I'm probably close that until tomorrow.
And the momentum be always getting me. I see it. That's how I get stuck and married into positions. But I mean, it is what it is. Like I said, I had my hard stop wherever it was down here. If I take the L, I take the L. 299, huh? They faded 300. Typical NQ.
I mean, no shit.
My sell limit still sitting at 350. So
yeah, I took mine off the chart. I'll just wait. We'll see what happens overnight. We'll see what happens overnight.
Hey, game weight. we got to be responsible here. We got to lock in some games. I don't want to wait. I don't want to wait because I don't want to stay up all night.
And then dream about it.
Yeah. I don't want to stay up all night, but I think she could get to. I do think she'd get to 310. The next one I got is up here at 345 and 375, and it just gets crazier and crazier from there. 460 on the 4 hour. But whatever, we'll see. Actually, yeah, let me take this mess off. I ain't playing no games.
Yeah, so I was like, yeah, I'll just wait until tomorrow. Well, because I mean, honestly, I would never go to sleep with a limit on Nasdaq for sure.
Right. You be laying in bed sweating. Did it hit my limit? Did I get filled? Or you get the notification, order filled.
Order filled.
As it as it rips. All right. Yeah. So let me move these because actually I'm gonna get off now, but I may come back at London. Yeah, I'll do that. Come back in London. See what's up. Fair. I'll give it some time to breathe.
Yeah, I think we can see that. We can see that. We can see that.
Mr. Fizz, no, we are open, baby. The banks are closed because it's a bank holiday, but stock market's open, future market open. But what we seen last year, on pretty much every other American holiday, we get a slow grind pump.
Yep.
Low, usually low volume. They rip it up with that low volume, and then the crash, like the following day. But all right, y'all. Yeah, I'll be back to check out London if it looks good. If not, I'm just say F it.
I will say that is definitely no, I'm not taking it short on ES. That's definitely a double top. That's definitely a risk to reward short right there. But I wouldn't take it.
Yeah, it's been hella strong. London for me is 2 a.m. 2 a.m. So I could get a little bit of sleep. A little bit of rest. Not even sleep.
10 points would be at 27. That's not even worth it on ES. That's not even worth it. Not the amount of stress it would take. But all right, bro, you about to end.
Sign off. Appreciate y'all joining. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. I'll check. Like I said, I'll look at the charts. If I like what I see on London, then I'll hop on. If not, then I'll just wait until New York open. No biggie. No rush.
Oh my God. What the
Gold's
fuck?
crashing?
Oh my God.
Oh,
Oh my God. Oh my God.
what happened?
Go. No. What are you doing? Go. Don't do this. Do this. So my stop is at my stop's right here at 72. Yeah, it came to right here and they sold. But I think I'm good. I think I'm good. I think they're gonna hold this area. They're gonna probably hold it. If not, I'll just lose like the $300. It's not that big of a deal. But
All right,
yeah,
y'all.
this keeps dropping. 660. All right, bro. Be easy, man. Mm. Uh, mm. I'm not in anything, Mr. Fizz. I was originally long. I had a good entry here at 67, but I closed it. I closed it at break even. So my heart is definitely broken as my target would have got hit. I would have got filled. And then it went past my target. So that's heartbreaking. Shit, I'm long gold now at 77. Yeah, hopefully that holds up overnight. Yeah, that holds up overnight. Yeah, I probably stream for the next 5 minutes because yeah, I probably stream for the next 5 minutes. Oh, Smith, you still on? Oh no, he's gone. Okay. Mm. Yeah, that definitely looks like a trap. I mean, that does well. That looks like a trap. I wouldn't short this yet on ES. I mean, that is a double top, but I wouldn't short that. I definitely would not short that. Okay, man. All right, well. 2. Okay. Yeah, this is definitely going up. Yeah, I think Smith is going to regret taking profits. I think he's going to regret it. This is definitely going to probably continue to grind higher. So 378, huh? 378. Mm. 237, 257. They already bounced it at 257 now. 204. I mean, I doubt it. $227. 217. Probably double bottom right here. Probably come right here. 240. I mean, or if we can get a double bottom, a double top short right here. But it won't get that far. With all these EMAs in the way, it won't get that far. Hmm. When I'll be like revenging. Yeah, might as well just come back tomorrow. Because yeah, they can just come back right here. Okay. All right. I guess we'll just see what happens in the overnight. I think Smith said he's going to come back during the London session. I'm just going to come back in New York. Oof. I mean, if they can find support here, then we're going up into this range. If the bulls fail here, then we're coming back down into this range. Mm. I need to have like a bigger account for that. I definitely need a bigger account for that. Because I'm trying to scout with the 50K account and it doesn't have that much drawdown. And it has something with like a bigger drawdown on it. I mean, I think these U profit accounts are decent enough for that. Mm, mm. A 10K profit target though. $10K profit target. So it's the ones you don't freaking take, man. Those are the ones that start to freaking work. All right, everybody. Have a good night. We'll come back New York. Smith said that he's going to come back probably come back during the London session. So with that said, peace out, everybody.